Parama Purusha is both a personal entity, has a personal relationship to each and every being, as well as being the cosmic progenitor, the one who has flung the stars in the heaven. That one abides in the eternal essence of consciousness, the eternal essence of being, and in the multiplicity and variety of creation. There is nothing outside of that entity, that cosmic being. That infinite consciousness is all-inclusive. Nothing remains outside of its sphere. That one abides in every living being, in every object, animate or inanimate. That cosmic progenitor is closer than close to you. That one is the very source of your being, the very heart of your heart, the essence of your mind. Every thought, every action is held within this cosmic existence. Parama Purusha is everywhere, omniscient. That one is all around you and within you. There is nothing separate from eternal being. Like the dreamer dreaming the great dance, the great dream of creation, so that infinite one creates within its own being this created universe, the stars, the heavens, the countless suns, countless planets, infinite number of living beings, all held within the consciousness, within the beingness of eternal self, of Parama Purusha. That supreme consciousness, that infinite consciousness, holds all existence within it. There is nothing separate. No one, nothing is outside of this. That one is your closest associate. That one knows every thought. Your very sense of self exists within the mind of that cosmic progenitor. You can have no thought, no idea, no action taken outside of this cosmic existence. You are yourself, knowingly or unknowingly, living within the mind of this cosmic progenitor. Every breath you take, every thought you think, all abides within that one. The essence of being, the essence of your own self. That one is the self of yourself. That one is your closest companion, the deepest aspect of your own being. Your existence, the dream of you, abides within him. The dream of you abides within Parama Purusha. In the play of the infinite Brahma, you are eternally born and the reborn, abide and dissolve, come into existence and then are returned to the sea of eternal being from which you have come. That is the nature of your existence. That is the nature of your life. For that one is the life of your life, the breath of your breath. Who are you without that one? You cannot exist. So why hold to separateness? Why hold to distinction? Why hold to petty thoughts of I and mine? Why hold to group? I and my associates are better than those others. We are more spiritual. There is truth to you. Feel the connectedness with those who you love and are close to. You feel the bond, and in that you feel the love that connects you to the infinite. The touch, the taste of that infinite one is in those relationships. Yet all beings are part of that one. All is part of the whole of being, of Parama Purusha, of pure, infinite essence, dreaming the dream of this cosmic existence. When the heart opens more and more, the love flows like a flood from your own heart into the world. When the veil of ignorance lifts from the eyes and you see the true nature of all beings, when you see the true nature of all that is, then that love that you have felt for those near and dear to you grows. It grows until it fills you completely, and it floods from you and from all that is when you awaken to knowledge of the nature of all beings. Then all become part of the whole, of the infinite self. This is the secret knowledge of the sages and saints of this world, who have come here to allow you to walk in truth, to walk in love through this world, to feel the bright and shining love that is all around you. That is the nature of being. That is the footprint of Parama Purusha, letting you know that one is alive, that one is essence, that one is near and dear to you, that one is seen in those you love, in the sunrise, in the sunset, in the birds flying across the sky, in the rain, in the sun, in the fresh smell of the forest, in the trees, in a leaf and a blade of grass. That one speaks to you with many voices, saying, look, look, remember, remember. I am here. Remember, come close, my dear one.